It was an awesome experience. I was surprised to have them come all the way from New York to present theater here in our little community. My name is Kathy Gibson. I am from Wahi, Nevada, and I am a Shoshone-Paiute tribal member from here. The first play that I saw, they were presenting a lot of what they see.
So over the last 2 days, we've kind of discussed the problems here that are specific to our community, and then turning that into fun plays that would help, I guess, bring awareness to the community. The Active Citizens theater form, I thought, was really productive as far as bringing not only awareness to these issues to our community, but also bring in the idea of acting and the arts to the community, which is kind of void. And so I believe it was just an awesome opportunity for our youth to engage in this and to explore other ways that they could develop as adults.
My name is John Leo, and I work with Theater of the Oppressed NYC. I'm one of the founding members of the company, and I'm what's called a joker. And what a joker does is it facilitates the creation of a play with a group of people, and then we put that play on for the community that they're from, or sometimes public performances. And the reason why I'm called a joker is because we're trying to, one, sort of mix things up, get conversations going that maybe people don't talk about. Specifically around things like discrimination and oppression and problems in a community that people really would rather not talk about. Here at Oahe, we talked, what are people in the audience, what can they do in their own lives? So it's not just coming in and like do a play, but like what can people do in their own lives to try to change what happened on stage in real life?
I would advocate for them to come back.